My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Well, my ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, it's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it.
Turn the click off for me. Hey. Da 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 da. Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on. Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Respect me and I'll never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted when it comes to having loyalty. But don't get it twisted, I don't take no shit from nobody. I know it's so hard to commit with all these chicks around. You act so different with your boys and throw your dick around. Too late to return the ring, and if you can't hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slave from the crack of dawn, but you act so dumb like your brain is off? So don't yawn, bitch, wrong. This broad is on, you better get strong. If not, move along now. Somebody better gonna right your wrong. I can sing it for you all day long. Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Respect me and I'll never leave your side, babe. It seems like everybody's looking for eternal bliss. That's what you find when you unbutton my Versace dress. Don't be a pussy and come at me with commitment shit. You know I die for you, act like you know what time it is. These hips are a work of art, and if you don't see that, death do us part. Now I ain't even gonna flex, cause I am the best. No Becky in distress, I'm a dragon in a dress. I don't get no rest, every day I'm blessed. Working my finesse, Tiffany on my neck. It's a boo thing, not a new thing. You better get it right if you're talking to me. Must've had a mind smart enough to choose me. Your boys say it's fine, you're supposed to use me. You don't wanna fuck around hard enough to lose me. So whenever I'm around, would you please salute me? Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Respect me and I'll never leave your side, babe.
I could be your wife or your life, be your wife. Better roll it straight and hold on to me tight, or I'll break your heart. You will not take it lightly. Now